Hello students, good morning. Yesterday we studied about the lesson Let's Speak. What was the name of our lesson? Let's Speak. And in that lesson we studied about daughter and mother discussing with each other, daughter and father discussing with each other, correct? Then ticket seller and Mohini goes at the counter of a ticket, and then she asks for what? She asks for ticket, and ticket seller gives her ticket. That was what? Three conversations which we studied yesterday. Today we are going to study fourth conversation and fifth conversation. And this lesson is totally based on activity. Okay, it is activity based lessons. We don't have any question answers on this lesson. We don't have any fill in the blanks. We don't have any match the pairs on this lesson. Now the third conversation, or you can say two people talking with each other. The third conversation is between two girls. Third conversation is between whom? The third conversation is between two girls. Can you see here? Yes. The name of first girl is Tina and the name of second girl is Rina. Can you see? Tina and Rina. After that, there is conversation between Sham and Gardner. Can you see a picture? Sham and Gardner. Now what is given in the first conversation? There are two friends sitting on a bench and they are having conversation. Tina and Rina. What are their names? Tina and second one is Rina. Now what Tina is saying? Tina is saying that may I borrow your pencil? What she is saying? May I borrow your pencil? Tina is saying whom? Tina is saying Rina. What Tina is saying? May I borrow your pencil? मी तुझी pencil घेऊ का? If it is not visible, students, if you are not able to see on board, please keep in mind that you have your own textbooks. You are having your own textbooks. When you are listening to the video, that time you can see your textbook. In that all conversations are given. Now first one it is told about Tina. Tina is saying that may I borrow your pencil? To whom she is saying? She is saying to her friend who is sitting near her. Okay. Then what Rina is saying? Now Rina, if Rina is sitting from this side, then what Rina is saying? Rina, yes, sure, here it is. What Rina is saying? Rina is saying yes. Sure. Yes, sure, here it is. What Rina is saying to Tina? Yes, sure, here it is. I have pencil. If you want, I can give you. Here it is. Take. Okay. Then what Tina is saying her? Now Tina is going to repeat her something. Tina is saying, thank you, Rina. What Tina is saying? Tina is saying, thank you, Rina. What Tina is saying to Rina? Tina is saying, thank you, Rina. In this way, what is done? In this way, conversation is done between two friends. You have to listen. Now, it is told that listen, repeat and enact. First, you have to listen what is given in the book. After listening, then you have to repeat it. After repeating, you have to do enact. Enact means what? You have to do acting of Tina. For example, you have to do, if you have your sister at home, then you have to do acting of Tina. Your sister will do acting of Rina. Now it is not possible. आपण जर क्लास मध्ये असतो तर आपण ही प्रॅक्टिस आवश्यक केली असती. We would have done in the class, but we are not there present, or we are not physically sitting in the class. You are sitting at your house. I am taking video at my house. So what you have to do? You have to do this activity with your sister or your brothers. So what was fourth conversation? Tina, may I borrow your pencil? Rina, yes, sure. Here it is. Tina, Thank you, Rina. Okay. Now there is fourth conversation or now fifth conversation. The fifth conversation is between gardener. Gardener means what? The person who guards. Gardener means what? The person who guards what? The person who guards गार्डन. गार्डनची काळजी घेणाऱ्या माणसाला आपण काय म्हणतो? गार्डनर. Then there is a boy, his name is Sham. So what it is given? Sham, may I pluck those flowers? Gardener, sorry, you may not. Okay, now gardener is taking care of what? Gardener is taking care of garden, and then Sham is going near that gardener in the garden and towards that man, and he's saying, may I pluck, what he is saying, may I pluck those flowers? Okay, which flowers? There are flowers behind Sham. Can you see? There are flowers behind Sham. So what he is saying, what Sham is saying, may I pluck those flowers? Gardener is saying, sorry, you may not. You may not means what? No, you are not allowed to pluck flowers. Understood? For example, if I am Sham, gardener uncle, can I go and pluck those flowers? Gardener uncle, no Sham, you may know, you may know what it is told that you may not, or then you are not allowed to go and pluck those flowers because those flowers looks beautiful in the garden. This is what this is conversation between two friends, father and mother, then you can say mother and daughter, father and daughter, father and son, mother and son. What they are doing conversation, they are talking with each other. In this way we have studied 5 conversation. Okay, first conversation is of Ashwini. Ashwini, may I go out to play? Then I is saying, yes, you may. Next one. Now second conversation, Ashwini, Baba, I want to eat a piece of cake. May I? Baba, yes, you may, but after dinner and then brush your teeth. Ashwini, okay, Baba. Third conversation, Mohini, may I have 2 tickets, please? Ticket seller, yes, you may. Here they are. Next one, fourth conversation, Tina, may I borrow your pencil? I want a pencil. May I borrow your pencil? Reena, yes, sure. Here it is. Tina, thank you, Reena. Okay, she will say, thank you, Reena. After that is fifth conversation, Sham. Sham, may I, gardener uncle, may I pluck those flowers? Gardener, sorry, you may not. You may not means you are not allowed to pluck those flowers. Have you understood? Yesterday I told you, you write down on any one topic, you write down 4 to 5 lines of conversation. I don't know whether you have done or not, but try to do it. And this lesson is totally activity based. What it is? It is totally activity based, and you should be able to speak. Are you understanding or not? Learn any one conversation. किती आहे टोटल? 5 कन्व्हर्सेशन. ह्या 5 कन्व्हर्सेशन मधून कोणतं पण एक कन्व्हर्सेशन लर्न करायचं आणि व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप वरती तुमचा व्हिडिओ पाठवायचा. अंडरस्टूड? फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न कन्व्हर्सेशन बिटवीन Ashwini and Baba, then Ashwini is saying, Baba, I want to eat a piece of cake. May I? Baba, yes, sure, but first you have to take dinner and then eat the piece of cake, and after that brush your teeth. Then Ashwini is saying, okay, Baba, thank you. In this way you have to make one small video of 5 to 6 seconds and send it as a homework on your class group, WhatsApp group. Okay, this is only your homework. Today's our homework is what? Today's our homework is practical. Any one conversation you have to learn. 5 are there. किती आहे हे? टोटल 5 आहेत. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this 5, learn any one. Now learn this big one. Big one is nice one. About Ashwini and Baba. Learn this one. And take your own video and send it on WhatsApp group of your class 2nd. Okay. Have you understood what is your homework? Okay. And our lesson is over. It is totally activity based. You should able to listen properly. You should able to repeat what is given in the book. तुम्हाला स्पेलिंग्स वाचता आले पाहिजे, तुम्हाला प्रोनाउन्सिएशन बरोबर आले पाहिजे. So do practice. Open page number 13 and read it again and again. Okay, repeat it again and again, read it again and again. And in tomorrow's period we are going to start new lesson. The name of our lesson is reading time. Okay, that we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you.